Rooftop?
20th floor.
Rooftop ba ito? Titignan ko pa. Puro rooftop bar eh.
Tingnan po natin yung inyong reaction video.
Grabe kayo.
Kayo po mauuna lumabas. Pero hindi.
Ha? Rooftop? Oh my God. Rooftop?
Ayun. Sige po, Ti.
Ha?
Sige po. Kayo po mauna.
Close pa eh.
Closed. Ala, bakit close?
Close. Ako na surpresa.
Ala. Asa pa tayo na? Wait. 3 minutes. Hanggang kami close pa.
Like, I was unconscious. Guys, it's not closed anymore!
Good afternoon.
Do you have booking today?
Yes. Under the name.
Sorry, under name. Right, okay. For the class of 2 persons. So already pay for your deposit. So your deposit can use regularly, not including drinks. Right, and the class room will start on time at 5:30 until 7:30. So after that you can continue to another table.
Thank you.
อันนี้โดมสองใช่ใช่โดมสองมาแล้วนะคะ
Sabi, oo nga, masasabihin ko sana sa inyo kanina. Ano ba ang basa dito? Susbide, subide, susbide. Ang hirap.
Lasing ko dun eh.
Na madaling araw po.
Oo.
Not inside.
Nasa isang photo.
You have to dance. You have to dance. That's already dance.
See the sunset. It's the sunset in Lacol, Bangkok. Buti hindi ko muna. Diyan. Wait po. Tingnan natin kung maganda sa picture. Ayan.
Signature cocktail.
Thank you.
Would you like to connect with Wi-Fi at here?
Connect. Okay. What? Okay. Yan po ang Lacol, Bangkok. Auntie, ano niyo po masasabi niyo sa surprise ni Ate Jamie?
Nagulat ako. Ang ganda. Grabe.
Ayun po. So, ito yung glass
Grabe.
door. At tanong ng tanong si auntie kung hindi nag-prepare si auntie ng sausautin. So, ayan. Wow, ang kutsara.
Ay, umorder kami, hininiwan yung ano. Mura lang, pero yung sa...
Sa reaction video of this 12 hours soon. Ano? Sige, but laki naman po. Ang love.
Ayan pa, meron pa. Ito wala itong laman. Ito yung laman niya. Nilagay lang.
Sarap nga po
Tigisa
itong
tayo.
pork po. Sarap. 12 hours pa naman. Sarap. Lambot. Reaction
Wow,
video.
sarap!
Lobster.
Ayoko lang.
Lobster. Isig na po ata si Ate Jamie.
Kasi
Tawagan po natin. Let's see the lobster.
ano talaga eh, fresh.
Oo po.
Sarap eh.
Sarap. Yung parehas po masarap na po. Tapos yung ano, Alfredo. Masarap.
Picture hindi.
Opo, medyo siguro dahil sa gabi na.
Linaw rin naman.
Waiting for the ice cream. Arinaw din po. Thank you. Birthday. Ate Jamie. Happy birthday, happy Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday.